Good morning. First one of the day, new client with his recently purchased Harley. This is in for one of our full works packages. He's seen my YouTube videos and thought he would treat this fairly new bike to a bit of trot TLC. This will get, like I said, one of our full works packages, which will include a 2-stage machine polish on all this black bodywork just to remove any imperfections. Got extra polishing to do on all these yokes, rocker covers, as they are all bare alley. Then we'll get it in the studio. We're going to do airbrushed ceramic on all the engine, all the frame, wheels. I will put the ceramic on by hand on all the bodywork. Got quite a bit of polishing to do on this. It is a new bike, he said, but it's been caught in the rain a few times. So yeah, let's get cracking, work a little trot magic. Get it washed, decontaminated, and then we'll get it in the studio for some proper detailing. Okay, she's now fully blow dried and in the studio. Just removed the seat and the backrest. Lovely Harley accessories, nice and easy to remove. This paintwork's pretty good shape. Got a little bit of hazing here and there, but it's only 480 miles, so this is a new bike. Got a bit of spider webs going on there, so we will do a 2-stage machine polish. It's more of this engine case, as I pointed out a minute ago. This is 480 miles, never been washed. What the hell is that all about? So we're going to do some polishing on that. We'll get it cut in a bit, and then we'll see if we can buff it up. But like I said, the paintwork's not too bad, but we will get it all buffed out to make sure there is no imperfections before we apply any ceramic. First off, we got a lot of polishing to do on this open alley. There you go, 4 hours on the dot. This Harley lowrider has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This is at one of our legendary full works packages, which includes a whole dose of Ultimaxx ceramic. We've done a full snow foam safe wash on this to loosen up any contaminants. Blow dried in the studio. I did some excessive polishing on all these bare alley parts, all your rocker covers, or your belt cover. The paintwork has had a 2-stage machine polish. Look at the freaking gloss on that. We've then prepped it. I treated it with the Ultimaxx Signature quartz, which is a self-healing ceramic. So all the painted bodywork, these Harleys, they do scratch very easily, have all had the Signature quartz on it. And we airbrushed on the lower half the Signature Pro, which is a 5-year ceramic. So all these polished bits that you saw that were already starting to corrode have all been coated. Fingers crossed that will keep them from corroding in the future. All your frames, swing arm, wheels, everything has been airbrushed with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro. Look at the gloss on that. absolutely gleaming. All done, 4 hours. Get yours booked in now. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. We're open 6 days a week. I've got a YouTube channel, Freddy Trot. Hundreds of videos of bikes we've done previously, just to give you an idea of the sort of work we do. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.